It's opening day at Camp Hamilton, and already loans are coming in, orders are coming in. They're already excited. Should be a great business for us. It's something new that we've never done, and we're excited to be there, to be honest. It all came together really well. Yeah, it's phenomenal. Big change, huh? People standing. The Marines come in here, I want them to feel like